Several years ago I published a video about a very simple trick used to loosen and remove even the most stubborn pedals from just about any bike. Over the years I've used this trick on hundreds of bikes that I've worked on or had to disassemble for shipping. I recently sold this 20-inch Specialized to an online buyer and ran into a minor issue when attempting to remove the pedals. So, the pedal spindles on this particular bike have really narrow wrench flats, and neither of the 15mm wrenches that I have were narrow enough to actually fit on the pedal to be able to loosen them. I didn't have an actual pedal wrench available nor time to locate one. My adjustable wrench was way too wide to make proper contact with the flat portion of the spindle, so that wasn't a solution either. Until I came up with this idea. These are a couple of the hex bits out of a small screwdriver set. I placed one of the bits on the top flat surface of the spindle, then grabbed the other one and held it on the other side. Then I took the adjustable wrench and clamped it down against both bits, like this. With the adjustable wrench in place, I grabbed the bike firmly by the handlebars and applied both brakes. And then using my trick, I loosened the pedal by stepping on it and then applying my body weight to the wrench with the heel of my foot. Voila! Piece of cake. Hope you found this helpful, and thank you for watching.